Crypto coins stay a top decision for financial backers because of their rewarding open doors. While there is a ton of vulnerability and unpredictability on the lookout, numerous financial backers see extraordinary expected in different coins. Digital currencies like the torrential slide have turned into a top pick for financial backers. The fame of the torrential slide network has been credited to its vigorous essentials and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange rates and versatility. With an ongoing return for capital invested of 3,337.96%. The organization is certainly worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed essentially, offering a magnificent possibility for what's to come. Be that as it may, doing a reasonable level of effort is essential prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about verifiable value patterns and specialized examination to know the best opportunity to trade your crypto coin. Thus, to put resources into torrential slide and need a point-by-point investigation, we have one for you. We will examine the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can come up with an optimal procedure for putting resources into this coin. Torrential slide, Avax outline. In the first place, we want to get an outline of the coin to grasp its general advancement. Torrential slide is one of the top performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. Thusly, it has turned into the top pick for the overwhelming majority financial backers lately. The ongoing cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto biological system. The organization has a dissemination supply of 310,564,672 and a market cap of $4,177,736,564. The cost of the torrential slide is expanded by 1.75% as of now. This is because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's right now in major areas of strength for a pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity. The cost of the digital money known as torrential slide has diminished by 15.449% somewhat recently. This unexpected drop has made the coin turned into a decent purchase, an open door for financial backers. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have radically fallen. Torrential slide has lost around 80% of its worth since February 2. The Russian attack, calls for guidelines in the crypto market, and tech auction are only a couple of purposes for torrential slide's radical cost fall. Torrential slide, Avax, value forecast 2023. The torrential slide establishment has, as of late, sent off a program pointed toward speeding up the reception of its inventive subnet usefulness. This permits a rich environment of blockchains to be constructed. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's motivator program is to help the improvement of new biological systems. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets, a WEB3 DApp scaling arrangement. The cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15% in the event that the organization's advancements proceed. Notwithstanding, assuming the market neglects to refresh and the cost of the money deteriorates, then it could drop to $13.76. In light of the potential situations in general, the normal cost of the digital currency by 2023 could be around $14.745. Financial backers ought to recall that these costs are dependent upon future developments because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is crucial to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from your speculation. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2024. Specialists and experts have an uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024. Since the fame and the familiarity with computerized resources would expand, the interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will keep on developing. Thusly, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. The solid basics of the organization could prompt more acknowledgements and new selections, which would push the cost of the digital money higher. By 2024, the computerized symbolics worth could arrive at a limit of $22.65. In the event that the crypto resource goes through huge liquidations, the cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. Nonetheless, to keep up with its worth, a harmony in the exchange practices of the business could assist the digital currency, with coming to $20.78. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2025. It is certain in the expectation of the cost for a drawn-out period that one ought to dissect the verifiable information of the cryptographic money. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. In the event that the altcoin gets impacted by regrettable opinions or administrative limitations, the cost of the cryptographic money could tumble to $22.77. Be that as it may, on the off chance that it can defeat these hindrances, the cost of the digital money could reach $25.31. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation and digital currency will increment essentially by 2025. Subsequently, there is a decent opportunity that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion popular for the torrential slide will push the coin's worth up. In any case, financial backers need to know that these are simply hypotheses and shouldn't put resources into the coin as a result of these projections. You want to watch out for the changing elements and the financial circumstance that will influence the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide, Avax, long haul gauge 2030. Since there are no set boundaries or key execution markers, it turns out to be generally difficult to foresee the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Dissimilar to stock, no monetary records, proclamations, incomes, or proportion examinations can assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. In any case, we have gathered information from different examination devices to give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the normal cost of $790 to $800. The most elevated exchanging worth can be around $930, while the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760. Most financial backers will quite often contribute for a drawn-out period to partake in a decent return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide Avax value examination. The torrential slide digital money was disclosed in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a fast flood in 2021. The coin's worth came to $47 constantly 7-day stretch of February. Be that as it may, the coin's worth declined for the following a half year prior to arriving at an unequaled high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some promising and less promising times, it's seeing a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022. Torrential slide coin has lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022. The unpredictability of the digital money market has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Over the most recent 14 days, the altcoin has dropped by 25.0%. Given the ongoing ideal market cap, this moment is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource. Albeit the cost of Avax has dropped by 4.7%, still a wise speculation for those are hoping to add a couple of currencies to their assortment. The cost of the altcoin varied between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing. The ascent of the torrential slide has been ascribed to the rising number of exchanging meetings. As per